for me mamoni akwaba eba Melodies TV so na in Sambia Babontin em say still in software womo 31st night prophecies eba ye no ye di bi ebro na many abo video bi so na this particular person no you say wo ye sunsum sorry software the mate and say your friend no Kwesi Onyameba prophet Kwesi Onyameba. Now what the prophecies be about the two abontain. Some of them are good, obviously some of them are bad. Now me boso the I was a me chemu na ye bisa questions I was no ye be bisa. Mesre my voice me say who ti me ya fa cheme. Me some serious code be. But it sounds say me nemo your social contract say asimia ebesi bia no me bebre mo nti intela me this particular video it say won ti me ni ya mesre fa cheme pa me nya kata. Now quickly yon consent so the first prophecy ya man was say prophecy ne dia e da ho say NDC na e was say e win 2020 election no na ebetumi akọ ama MPP if ye ko second round MPP be win but say your first round dey to abana NDC e be win. That's the first prophecy ya wakan. The second one was say Kennedy Japan this year when Yankopon ebe yusu Kennedy Japan e dey expose insem bebre e wo Ghana na dey ya na say Kennedy Japan be ko radio so obekọ radio bebre so e kasa corruption insem be wo yiyepie na so Ghana fo no dodo na emfa wo mo adwen e ma Kennedy Japan eno ne ade a ebeye ya but wo be ti Kennedy Japan ne plan se wonam ha kan we wonam ha kan we Nyankopon be ma Kennedy Japan ebie Ghana fo ani e won nsem be so eno ne nsem a wo kan eno ne second prophecy a woni tuja etie for the third one no e ho e na asem no wo no wo se Reverend Owusu Bempa wan hwe ya 2020 wo bewu 2020 Reverend Owusu Bempa wan hwe ya wo bewu ma chese ewu a wo bewu no obi anti ase one yare aya kaso o ya tse Reverend Owusu Bempa yare ye betia ne se team tofuwo na we wu sa akwa na okọ na e was say Reverend Owusu Bempa bompa ye e was say Ghana for amodon so mo bompa ye emano. Now this particular prophecy and am can person be bisa asem e wo ye ne nim say Reverend Owusu Bempa is also known for this. Say one also ebia wo shem kom say we bewu nipa we bewu na Reverend Owusu Bempa hye san kom no na Ghana for eba attack na eya asem o kan say Nyankopon eneyi atwe no. Now another prophet is also claiming say Nyankopon eyi atwe say Reverend Owusu Bempa ebewu. I don't know how Reverend Owusu Bempa's camp will respond to this. Yen hwe say na Reverend Owusu Bempa the camp don't be responded. Wo mo be ba bontin aba be di prophecy atemu ana. Will they come to call him a fake prophet? If they come out to call him a fake prophet and they say sisi a Owusu Bempa wo say ya wo ka say nkofo bewu no na they say ye fake prophet and no because obi nso aka say Owusu bewu also confirm the fake prophet. This particular prophecy, I'm waiting for Reverend Owusu Bempa's camp to actually come up to speak on this. Share how they respond to this. Now, how they respond to this, that's how from that time on, you also ever responded to Reverend Owusu Bempa. So, one also share come, so will be able what. This is one thing that me person Reverend Owusu Bempa the camp or more responded to. Now, the next one. Was see Ghana has say yen say the past year 2019 yet in sem bebre say coup d'etat nkofi bia yo mo so mo be ye coup d'etat ne sem bebre was see sa de no eye kolanyama sa stories na ye tie no na kesie ni mu eba 2020 kesie ni mu eba na nkofi bi be yo mo say wo mo assassinate the president. But Nyamia Duminti, they will not get the president. Nyamia Duminti, Womonsa Enka president, no Bagana Funya Behu, say, hey, Nkofubia Kututio, it will be dear Nanke, what's a president? What? Ah, president, Nyamia Duminti, one cohort. Ama Yabechi San Crofono, Ama Ghana, Ayeheja. Before the elections, no, eno ne asem a ebesi e wo Ghana ha sei owie ye no na wo de tia so say Western Togoland for this time election wo mo be boycott election no wo mo be yo ma say wo mo ntu aba na senia wo mo be yo ma say wo mo boycott election nti no e be ma the international communities e be bem say wo mo ni o mo e be kasa say yesremo de mu ye e de asem beba Western Togoland is essentially a share na say agra and then they have their own military. They have a lot of things they've been able to convince their kids, the future, the next generation, to believe say they are not part of Ghana. And that's a worry for this nation. Western Togoland is so. Let's move on. Was it Ghana music and movie industry this year? A big gina. Jenny say at least music industry there are a few complaints here and there. But yenim say eba a year movie industry na atie wukra inti ende Ghana for a year actors and ke wo say dey bia wo mo ye movie ma ye hwe no sisi a YouTube and no more because industry newu and they also have to survive. It's YouTube as say omo do videos to at least omunya kakra bi at the end of the month no mo so omo da hwe mo how far. Was it 2020 the Ghana music industry and movie industry entertainment industry no ebe so we gina na ade ba ko Nyankopon be yusu e die pega Ghana movie no eye mebusem nipa ba ko Nyankopon be yusu de no e die pega Ghana movie eye mebusem na mebusem ebe ye Jesus movie bia sa Jesus movie no ebe ko wiase afane ni na ekọ wiase afane ni na ngofo be so ehu no say we ye Jesus movie African fo so aya because when we go back into history no make sure say Jesus Christ, even the Bible describes Jesus Christ as a black person. Now so Jesus movie and ngofo ye no obo say bibini bi edim it dey sofune kan say bebu sem be Jesus movie bia ebeko wiase afane ni na ama ngofo ehu no say Jesus na ye ka say wo ye tuntum wo ye bibini no bebu sem aye ama ye hu say ne kre iti mu amo ka say tia bebu sem say Nyankopon emu fuhye beba ne so no o say dabi eye Nyankopon wan ka say na yusu bebu sem na Nyankopon be yusu bebu sem ama wa ma bebu sem epeja eye movie industry no iti mu amo kan say money afa bebu sem ho no munjai Nyankopon wonsa ene da ne so. The next one was say there will be political instability in Ghana this 2020. Upehu nkrofo sorry say demonstration tension be koso na enra me ye analysis be etremo say in 2020 a lot of civil society groups and a lot of civil society groups no and the working class groups, the public working class groups no womunim say the only time the government listens to its people election year and 2020 election year inti wo bi asabe the sike bi akem aban won tuano 2020 and wo be demonstration because onim say 2020 wo ye demonstration extra aban say when tia me ntoma wa aban ho be popo no inti the so fu kai was it 2020 demonstrations at the Koso Ghana. Now, maybe not prophet, but I even said that. I predicted that. And I know it is something that will happen. Because every single year, you see, it's a no man was so free what they about to get. Was it Ghana? Young Popeye, Emma, your former presidents, no? And yet, J.J. Rawlings, and they Kufo, young Popeye, and more Dimpa and Momo. Now, you would say, there is an attack on their lives. There was a sorry a bonfire and momo. One another prophecy was in Reverend Obofo this year for better 6 months to come. Yen telling ka who say now sorry no the year and the person walk up preachy. A be who a people back say, hey, Reverend Obofo as a woo and a woman that's on the camp. Emu be make us a Reverend Obofo wa sheda na wo pese na yemi ne so ba edim inta the woman yemi preachy. Ebi make us a Reverend Obofo we tu kwan say ebe ye huhu enti Ghana for bebrebe bodom pem akọ Reverend Obofo asori say ye pese ye hu Reverend Obofo because for better 6 months we won't tell nka na ye repair and na wo be kwa asori de bia so people will be worried. And no any asema was also edi atuja was it this year sika ene awarie se ne be koso e wo Ghana no na me kra me hu ye kra me this year me na fofo bebra e ware kra no enye easy o ogbo na mi susu se wo bo ware this year se ne me hu wedding invitation no utumi hu se e ye ne kra wedding ne de ya de e be koso pa na osisi council e be koso na no you don't even need a prophet to tell you me ye analysis me maboti asese election year bia e ya na sika e wo system ni mu it this year se sika e koso ana sika e ba system ni mu a it is understandable. Montreal Madrid, our comment box, etiefo, me da ase.